are behind the scenes. We have the most amazing Shannon Peterson, and we are at First Impression Ironworks. Oh my goodness. Explain all this craziness that is going on around us.
You get a behind the scenes look of our fabrication facility located here in Arizona. We are celebrating 30 years of an anniversary, and it's really exciting because no one gets to see this. This is where we build our product. We don't import anything. It is handcrafted, fabricated by a skilled set of artisans that we're so proud to show you, and they're proud of what they do. They have an amazing talent level. You can see the artistry that goes into it. We have a quality control team. They're looking and inspecting everything that we do before the glass gets entered into our doors. And they take a look at every single weld point.
Wow.
So what you're getting is quality that is being brought to your home from our family to yours. So you can visit us in our Gilbert showroom, Scottsdale, Litchfield Park, or you can even visit us now in Austin, Texas.
So I'm always telling people, go to one of the showrooms.
Yeah, look at what we do. You can see the strength and the durability, taking this raw iron and building it into something fantastic that's unique and a design for you that we bring for homeowners all the time. Love to cater it. Free design, free delivery, free installation, and it all begins here. So you start your story in the showroom, you get to see the behind the scenes, which is the inside chapters of what we do. And then the final is the beautiful project that gets put on your home.
Well, thanks for letting us come into this wonderful world.
You're welcome.